In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google and Surveymonkey, a step-by-step guide to streamline your survey creation process using these powerful tools. We'll go through the essential steps to get you up and running, whether you're gathering feedback for personal projects, education, or work purposes. First off, let's begin by heading over to Google. Simply open your web browser and type in google.com to access the search engine. Google is an incredibly versatile tool not just for general searching, but for connecting with other online services like Surveymonkey, one of the world's most popular survey platforms. Now that you're on Google, type in Surveymonkey in the search bar and hit enter. Google will then bring up a list of search results related to Surveymonkey. Look for the link titled Surveymonkey, the world's most popular survey platform, and click on it. This will direct you to the Surveymonkey homepage where you can explore their various features. On the Surveymonkey homepage, you'll notice a sign up free button prominently displayed. Click on this button to begin the process of creating your account. One of the great things about Surveymonkey is that it offers flexible sign-up options. You can choose to register using a Microsoft, Facebook, LinkedIn, Apple account, or even sign up with your email address. Today, we'll use a Gmail account for a streamlined experience, especially if you're already logged into your Google services. Surveymonkey will then guide you through the next steps. You'll click on a series of highlighted prompts, helping you navigate their terms of service and ensure you understand any additional agreements. After handling the initial setup details, hit the next button to proceed. This takes you to an option to create a new account. Clicking this will effectively set up your Surveymonkey account, giving you access to the dashboard where all the action begins. Before you dive into creating surveys, Surveymonkey might prompt you with a short survey question itself, such as "I'm using Surveymonkey for?" You have the option to either answer it by choosing one of the provided categories, personal, education, or work, or skip the question by clicking the option in the top left corner. For our tutorial, we'll select personal. Finally, you might encounter a secondary prompt asking, "I heard about Surveymonkey from?" Again, feel free to answer or simply click skip to move along, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated the setup and your Surveymonkey account is ready to go. With this robust tool at your fingertips, you're now equipped to create insightful surveys and gather valuable responses tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy surveying!